Good morning, everybody. Yes, tapos ko lang mag-shower, actually maligo. Okay. Um, so, now, I want to show you kung ano ang ginagamit ko sa aking younger looking face. Ayan. A while ago, naglagay ako ng, I use Bioten products. Not promote them, but it just works for me. Nilagay ko dito yung mga liquids, which is, this one is Bioten micellar water. So, pag binuksan ko siya and then papump ko lang dito. So, at least hindi masyadong marami ang nakukuha. Enough lang para dun sa aking cotton pads. And then after that, I use bale, pakita ko sa inyo. So, this is the Bioten micellar water. Okay. And then, I use the, kasi na yung akin, I think, nandoon sa baba, sa labas. Yung facial wash nila, which is hyaluronic gold na facial wash. So, after using the hyaluronic facial wash, I am going to use Bioten toner. Hyaluronic lahat. Sabi kasi nila, it's going to reduce aging, you know, yung wrinkles and all this stuff. So, eto siya. Yung toner, nilagay ko rin dito. So, minamarkahan ko lang. Then, just few pumps. Pupunuin ko lang yung aking cotton pads. And then, gently na kahit lang siya dyan on an upper motion. Okay. From temple to temple. And actually, ang toner yata hindi naman dapat nirarub. Okay. Tapusin ang ilong. And to here, up to the back of the ear. Ayan, up to the back of the ear. Ayan. And then, sabi, huwag daw lalagyan ng toner ang leeg. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero, hindi ko na lang siya nilalagyan. Okay, so, patutuyuin lang siya. Sometimes, gumagamit ako ng lampen. Yun ang aking, instead of face towel or towel, lampen ang ginagamit ko sa aking mukha at sa aking leeg. Pamunas. Yan. And then after yung toner, the next step is the Bioten Hyaluronic Gold Eye Cream. Just a little. Medyo may pressure daw ito mga to, pero tagal naman kasi siya gamitin kasi hindi naman maraming ginagamit mo. Just small. Kasi ice naman siya. So, spread natin here. So, I use ito. Yan ang sabi sa akin. Yan ang gamitin mo. Kasi wala masyadong force yan. And then, after that, I use the Hyaluronic Gold Serum na merong perlas. Ayan. So, ayan siya. 2 pumps for my entire face and neck. Okay. Gently. Baga parang nilakalan. ng isang, I think she's an Australian doctor. Sabi niya, castor oil is the only oil that can penetrate under our skin. So, I started using castor oil and napansin ko, there was one time na parang meron akong malaking pimple dito. So, I tried it to see kasi sabi niya, it reduces inflammation. Kumbaga parang anti-inflammation siya. So, I use it on pag patulog na. I use it sa armpit, sa mga parts kung saan prone ang mga kababaihan sa mga kumpani, especially when you're undergoing the PMS. No? Sa edad natin, cannot say na tayo dadaan dyan. Huwag nyo ikahiya if you're undergoing PMS. That's okay. It's just hormonal changes and malalampasan din natin siya. So we just need to do things that will help our body adjust to the hormonal changes. So I only put like 3 to 4 drops and then ganyan ko lang siya and then spread it evenly. No? Konti lang para hindi siya makapal. Okay? Kasi kung hindi, baka magmantika kayo, pwede na iprito yung ganun sa mukha. This way, kaya pinakahuli ko siyang ginagamit because siya yung parang magsisil ng sunblock, sun cream, at saka ng lahat ng pinagdadaan sa mukha. That's why I don't get lagi din mo sa pagkakas. Masyado pagbuhat at the age of 49. Yes, po, I'm 49. My honey is ano po ako
Who's that?
So my honey brought me my breakfast, lasagna, at saka, is that the cranberry juice? Yeah, ice cold cranberry juice.
Love Jesus, serve Jesus.
Doing yeah. Okay, so yan. Yan, okay na. So, that will dry up a little bit. Yeah, so, yan. And then, I love to do this to my face kasi parang it relaxes the face. Yan. My friend told me na minsan itap-tap mo para feeling rosy cheeks. Ayan. So, yeah, that's all for today. Mamaya, i-video ko kung ano yung ginagamit ko sa hair ko. Next video na yan. Bye for now!